So in this video, I will show you how to create a forecast in Power BI in a very simple way. Starting with a focus dataset, you can create either cumulative graphs and daily graphs that contains as many months you want in terms of forecast. The blue part is actuals and the black plus gray are forecast. You can do this in this fashion or in this fashion, that is the cumulative way. And this forecasting also responds to the filters that you actually put on your report. So I will show you how to do it. We're going to start with a clean copy of Power BI loaded with a billing information in focus format. As you can see here, there's all the focus format that I have loaded with almost 1 year of data. So let's build something really simple and quick here. I will use the line chart. In this example, I will use charge period start. All right, actually charge period start. And I will use effective cost. Great. Here we have the usage or the cost throughout the time, starting here in October, and I have loaded this data till September 2025. And now we want to turn on forecasting, and you see that it's pretty simple. See this little magnifier? Click in here and just turn on forecast. And forecast will be enabled for the following setup. Let's say, and this can be any months ahead. So I will put here 4 months. I will leave anything here as it is, as is, and apply. See that it generates automatically the forecasting, and you can format this the way you want. You can change the colors of the upper bound and lower bound, the colors of the lines in here, that is the forecast. And the interesting thing is that it also connects with context. For example, I will add here a slicer, and in this slicer I will use service category. So let me increase this a little bit. So in service category, let's say I want to see compute. You've got it here. The behavior changes accordingly. Database. So the same thing. If you the much data you have, the better this thing gonna respond. If you don't have too much data, it will not generate the forecasting for you. But if you have something that has more data on the past, the better going to be the forecasting of that. Another cool thing that I want to show you as well is if you add a forecasting, but not on the period, but you want to do a cumulative forecasting. So I will just copy and paste this guy in here. And for this, you need to create a new measure. Let me show you how it works. So click here on the more options, new measure. In this new measure, just paste in here the formula. You can pause the video so you can copy the content in your side. So hit enter. I will now replace this effective cost by the newly created measure. See here that we have this is called the NS curve, or a running total, on top of effective cost, and taking consideration the charge period start. We can turn on the forecasting as well, the same thing as we did previously. Just turn it on and set it up like by putting months, and I want to see as well the 4 months. 4 months and apply. So see that magically it generates not only the forecast but the upper and lower bounds that can work as the optimistic or pessimistic forecast for that specific period. See, we are using built-in features from Power BI in order to create a forecasting that is pretty decent according to the history that you have, and it also comprises of seasonability. So great usage for your reporting in FinOps. I will leave on the description this data set so you can practice yourself. It contains 1 year of focus data on multi-cloud. Feel free to get your copy. It's useful if you're practicing with focus data or if you want to reproduce this in your reports. Actually, if you want to reproduce this on your own reports, you just take this video, create the same formula, the naming of the fields is the same, and this is the beauty of focus. All right, so take a look on the description, grab your copy, and hope you like it.